Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Privolzhsky Research Medical University.
Let's visit the hostels of PRMU provided by GEC. With GEC, students receive guidance for admission and access to the university's official government hostel with secure entry. Clean, well-maintained corridors and a peaceful environment provide students with a comfortable place to live and study. Every room is designed to offer privacy, convenience, and a welcoming atmosphere for international students. Each room includes a dedicated study space, helping students to stay focused throughout their medical journey. Spacious triple and double sharing rooms with all the essential furniture ensure a comfortable student lifestyle. The hostel is professionally managed with organized facilities, making day-to-day living simple and stress-free. A hygienic common kitchen always allows students to prepare home-style meals whenever they want. This is the official government hostel of the university, located conveniently for students. Students can also enjoy sports and recreational facilities, maintaining a healthy balance between studies and fitness. Modern amenities like elevators make everyday hostel life even more comfortable. Common areas give students a chance to relax, interact, and build lifelong friendships. Choose GEC Consultancy for your MBBS admission and complete support, from university admission to official government hostel accommodation. Safe, trusted, and with you every step of the way.